Mm. Quédate today yo on your feet, 'cause I don't ever wanna see you lonely, 'cause your love is something that you just don't push aside.